Vacuum suction, phone holder. What will you get in a box? Vacuum phone holder. Make sure it comes with plastic cover just like this. Magnetic ring 1 piece. Cleaning wipes. Mini hex key. Transparent film sticker. Manual.
Let's assemble.
Remember, do not place the ring on the magnetic part of the holder. Use the wipes to clean the area before attaching the ring. Step 1. Wet wipes. Wipe, wipe, wipe. Step 2. Dry wipes. Clean, clean, clean. Then, take off the ring sticker protector and paste the ring at the back of your phone or phone cover, just like that. Easy peasy. Don't forget to remove the film from the ring. Next, make sure to remove the plastic cover from the suction rubber of the holder. Place the holder to the situated surface and push the button OFF to on. Attach your phone to the magnetic part and adjust the position as needed. Up, down, forward. For texture surface, can use this transparent film. Paste it like this. Place your phone holder on it. The film will hold the holder firmly. Attach your phone and ready to use.
There you go!